Hi, Dr. Lim here. We have covered 3 groups of customers before this. Today, we shall cover the 4th group of customer, the young men and young women. In genotherapy, we always ask, what are the needs of our customers? Then we provide the service and solution to our customer. For young men and young women, what is the most important thing to them when it comes to health? I think they want to look good, handsome and charming. Then the immediate question is, can our products cater to skincare and cosmetic, making the young men and young women look neat and smart? Again, the answer is affirmative yes. For the face and scalp, first we can massage with our massage oil. Just rub the face softly in circular motion. Many people found that after some time they felt like some scent that started to accumulate on the face. That is not scent, but the impurity on the face. After massage for sometimes, if the one under massage have a lot of impurity on the face, the sensation of scent and mud-like substance always appear. And this is just a common phenomenon. Many people, when they use inappropriate skincare products, the phenomena of scent and mud sensation always happen. That means this kind of skincare, instead of making the skin look better, they intoxicate it and make it worsen. Next, after massage with the oil, one can cover the face with body foam and later wash and rinse it away. Before this, many members spend a lot of money for the facial and skin scrub, which has normally very costly. Not only that, many of them are abrasive on the skin, so after application, the skin turns red and thin. This is bad, because the skin will be easily infected as the protective layer on the skin is removed. However, our toothpaste is made from natural substance, and not only is it good to scrub the teeth, it's also good to scrub the face and other parts of the body. Just use the toothpaste as a facial wash, and softly scrub the face and rinse it. It is natural and not abrasive in nature. For the massage oil, body foam and Genoji toothpaste, we receive a lot of testimony, that the result is good. And even on the first trial, people can see the improvement on the facial complexions. When it comes to skincare, many members ask DXN to produce this facial mask. Now we do have masks from Korea, but traditionally, many members have successfully used the company products for facial mask. We have a beautiful theory on that. Whatever is good for your body, then it's good on face and skin. It is good to take RG and GL. Both are excellent facial masks too. Just mix with clean water and apply on the face. Next is the spirulina, which is known to nourish the skin and smoothen the wrinkles. Before you apply spirulina, you must give some warning, some reminding to your partners. Otherwise your face will look very will look very green, For those who have made their own yogurt at home, you can mix the homemade yogurt with RG, GL and spirulina to produce a very good and effective facial mask. We have one member who has very sensitive skin and has to take steroids to manage the problem. Her health keeps deteriorating due to the intake of steroids prescribed by the doctors. Eventually, he mixed RGGL powder with spirulina. Add some Geno oil. Her skin problem was completely overcome by this simple measure. Member also asked the company how to make the skin radiant or whitening the skin. Some member bought the whitening products which contain mercury. It does whiten the skin, but the effect is so artificial that you can see the face look like a dead fish. Our face is the mirror of our internal organs. When there is a lot of toxin and accumulations in the organs, it also accumulates on the skin. Sometimes just by looking at a person's face, we can roughly know his internal organs are doing well or not. If the color of the face is not even or a lot of pigment deposits, then the organs are not doing well. To tackle this problem, the one with facial problem should take the products like RG and GL together with Spirina and Morinzi and etc. So when a member has bought back the products in a week's time, we can know whether he has taken the product or just keep it aside. If he has taken the products, his face becomes more radiant than before. If not, there's no change in the facial complexions. To improve the facial complexions and make the skin look fresh and radiant, we need to apply something on the facial skin to enhance the circulation of the blood vessels near to the skin and flush out the toxin and impurity under the skin on the face. So, what are the best products to apply on the face to make it radiant? The answer may shock you, know. The best product that best bring the luster to your face are the DXN coffee products. Be it 3-in-1, 2-in-1 black coffee or any DXN coffee, just mix with some water and apply on the face. Of course, we will get a maximum result if it is mixed with RGGL and spirulina powder with a few drops of Gano oil. When I'm in India, the member joked with me where the whitening effect of coffee turned them into white European. This is just a joke, of course. We cannot change the color of the skin. But when the skin is cleansed and nourished, it looks neat and clean and luster with a kind of radiant that you feel the skin look whiter. This is much better than using artificial chemicals like mercury products and etc. Our products make your skin look natural. But those artificial products make your skin look very artificial and lack the radiance. When we say you take care of your face, we naturally mean it includes your neck. We have seen some people buy some very costly cosmetic products in order to save cost. No, they only apply on the face and forget about the neck. The face look white, alright, but the neck is ugly, as before, and this is no good. And then they look like vampire. So when you take care of your face, do not neglect your neck. Later we provide pearl powder to the market. How do you know the pearl powder is from the real pearl? The test is easy. So when you mix the powder with the water, you immediately see the water turn luster and give up some kind of pearly growth. Then you know the pearl powder is genuine. So if the water remains dull after mixing with pearl powder, then it may be a fake product. Pearl contains a kind of protein that is similar to that of the skin. So consumption of pearl powder and apply it on the skin is very beneficial. And it is also known as natural skin whitening substance. The last empress of China, the Cixi, was known for beauty and fine skin complexion. Even at old age, she looked young and her muscle is youthful and springy. No sign of aging. It is said that he take a spoonful of pearl powder every day. This is quite a lot of powder actually, but the effect was well known. In my last video, I did tell a testimony that a member took the pearl powder during pregnancy. Both she and her daughter have fine and good skin. And the daughter is very smart. Just started to talk before the age of 2 and can understand the conversation of the parents. Some member told me to make the face beautiful is not enough. Okay, they want the hand, the shoulder. You need the whole body should look fine and beautiful. So you need to apply RGGL powder throughout the whole body or the pearl powder on the surface of the whole body before they look beautiful. The bank account will be very ugly then. I told them there is a good way to take care of the whole body. That is before taking the shower, apply the body foam throughout the whole body. Rest well for at least 20 minutes, then rinse it off during shower. This can enhance the skin of the whole body. Also, to take care of the hair, the best way to use our shampoo is to moisten the hair a bit Then apply the shampoo on the hair before shower. Wait for at least 20 minutes, then rinse it off during a shower. This is the best way to use the shampoo. Also for the scalp, it's good to apply the oil on the hair and the scalp. Then massage the hair and the scalp softly. After the massage, can apply the shampoo on the hair. This takes care of both hair and the scalp very effectively, and it is effective to remove the dandruff from the scalp too. Even for the early day, some members use DXN products alone and operate a beauty salon successfully. I can give you 2 testimonies here. Once when I was in Hong Kong and met our DXN members there, one beautician told me she had operated a salon with DXN products alone. She is famous for facial massage with our oil, and she did whole body beautification by applying our foam shampoo throughout the body of the client using the body foam. One session is about 300 Hong Kong dollars. 20 years ago, this was a good cost, and she made a comfortable income monthly on top of the good DXN bonus. Later, we also have a testimony from USA. One member did the whole beautification after listening to my genotherapy. He charged 100 USD per session and got a good response. She also operated the whole salon using DXN products per se. Over the year, we got so many testimonies for the treatment of skin problem and using the products. For itchiness of skin, they use our toothpaste to wash the affected area. When the color of the skin is not even, they use the coffee to make the skin look even again. The usage of oil to massage the skin, good to relieve the pains and stiffness of the muscle and make the skin luster and beautiful again. So I leave it to you to use your innovative skill to run a salon using DXN products and to make good skincare using our products. That's all for today. See you again. Bye-bye.